on showing the top 3 restaurants. And
hello guys, I just wanted to come at the end of the video and just have a little bit of chat with you guys. But this is a different kind of content that I am starting, and I want to know if you guys like it, if you guys love it. I mean, I'm creating content for myself, yes, what I enjoy, but I also want you guys who are viewing it and giving me the views to also enjoy the videos that I'm putting out. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, and please like this video because it helps YouTube to share it to other people so that other people can also come and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, yeah, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. In my next video, I have an unboxing, a book unboxing for you guys, and it's all going to be super exciting. And hopefully by that time I would also have like a library, a bookshelf somewhere there. So I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a wonderful and reflective period in your life that will help push you forward. Bye guys.